learn it without even doing any blueprint fragments. I could just keep retrying. So fucking dark. Are we grouped up still?
I'm with you. Oh wait, I'm with
Charles, you're on
Tracy.
our left. Or someone's on him.
I'm on your right.
Yeah, you're on our right there.
Oh, back up. Over here, come on, regroup on me. This way, guys.
What's up?
That's that big base where Mentos killed up there. I think. Fuck are we?
We're headed the right way. Don't second guess yourself, you'll get even more lost.
Never been here before in my life.
Let's head back
That
up.
looks like Frag's house right there, right?
Helicopter. Oh god.
Fuck. Alright, guys, come on, make it.
Oh no, this is terrible. This is just terrible. We're gonna have to hide in a cave or something until it passes.
Whoa, wait,
It's getting-
we're going the wrong way. That's the dome.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
We're so dead. We are so fucking dead.
Oh, I see what happened. We took a right around the rock.
Is that it right there?
Yeah, we need to move.
Oh god, I can see the helicopter. It's coming our way perfectly.
Oh,
Oh no.
We got this, we got this.
Oh my god, it's catching up.
Just keep running.
Oh my god.
are we even on track, dude?
Yeah. We're heading up to where we need to be. Just take a right up here. That was fucking close.
It's still right behind us too.
No. Fuck this home. Sure, we're on the fucking track, dude.
Has to be.
Oh no. We're gonna have to find somewhere to hide.
It's so much. Oh, yeah, that's Deaglers. That's Deaglers right there. Right?
Yeah.
Where's this quarry? Get a quarry. This isn't his house. Create a large furnace.
Get away from the fucking house then.
Oh, dude, there's a big base over there, dude. What the fuck? Where are we?
About to die is where we're at.
Fucking.
You guys want to head back to
Where?
where we were?
I don't know. The mountain and see what we see, or just keep running. Took a
How did
wrong
we get
turn,
lost?
dude. Follow the power lines? I don't know.
Oh my god, we have so much shit in the time we have so much shit we get
Get in
lost.
here. Get in here.
We can get in from the back here. It left this area now. People live here still.
Yeah. Those doors backwards. Worth checking.
No.
Going back up on the mountaintop. Trying to reassess the situation now it's cleared up a little.
I think we are headed in the right direction.
Roughly straight.
This is a bad time to be lost.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
The heli is coming our way again.
I think Operation Get Back in the Fucking House is go.
Yeah, there's a big face. I recognize that face. Yeah, okay.
Hold on. Where is... Are we... That's a spawn area. Is that the train yard?
Yeah, that's the place we usually... You get in the house. Go for the house. Go for the house.
Oh shit.
I know where we're
For the
at. We
house.
just ran too far forward.
Yeah, that's fine. We gotta get in the house.
Oh god. Oh god.
It's not our house, so it won't launch rockets. We'll be safe inside. I know
Oh
exactly
shit!
where we are.
No.
Should we fight it?
I don't think we'd win. If we had a rocket launcher, I'd say yes.
Got fucking 70 something. Got a lot of ammo on me.
I got 29 extra.
Here.
Yeah, we
take
don't
this.
have building
Take
privileges.
this off me. Ish.
But
Off me. Fucking lay low. Put your gun away, I guess.
I hope you're recording.
Yeah.
I am as well.
Awesome.
I'm playing music.
I like
though.
the shit out of this.
Yeah. I'm playing music though, so I don't know if it's gonna mute it. It probably will.
Why does everybody else get muted? I never get muted.
Uh-huh.
Like, I never get muted. I don't understand. And I play Spotify copyright music all the time. It doesn't make any sense.
You know they actually had 9 survey charges on them. I've got those too,
That's good.
as well as
What?
the mining quarry. I'd say that's very cool.
Yeah, I mean,
I'd like to BP that. You want to try and BP this?
mining quarry? I can make a mining quarry.
Yeah. The oil.
Yeah, I can make that.
Oh,
You can't make the mining quarry.
Okay, never-
Oh, it's called the quarry, isn't it?
mining quarry.
It's called the mining quarry? Oh.
Mining
Yeah.
quarry.
Probably good.
All right. You guys want to head back?
Are we clear?
Heli's going the other way. So that guy's house was this direction. Which means, let's find the woods. Or the,
Let's,
the,
let's crest this hill on
the
our
road.
left and reassess real quick. Oh, this is the road right here, isn't it?
Yep.
And
Our house is,
we don't even know what road this is. Oh.
Person.
Really stupid
that's
road.
not a pig.
Oh, no.
Alright. Now we
That thing took so many rounds to die.
Yeah, it takes 10. Get the fuck out of here.
Go cut left.
Yeah, okay.
Fucking
Good idea.
this. Nice high ground.
Did you need to bandage,
There we go.
Mish?
Extra
What's that? Yeah, I got extra syringes and shit.
issue on us.
I just saw you, but then
ran
someone
up
went
the-
through a bush and I lost you.
Ran up the hill on your
Oh, I
left.
see. Yeah. I was like, I saw someone run through a bush.
Okay, yeah. We just gotta go this way. It is this way, you're right.
Alright. Wow. I thought we were fucking backwards completely. 180 degrees.
Yeah.
Wow. Fog will do that to you.
Yeah.
That heli's getting close.
If we make it back to the house, this will be amazing. Like, absolutely amazing.
There's the stone house.
Perfect. Alright. Comfort sets in. Alright. Oh, this is the one we hit. Okay, so warehouse is down there. Alright, perfect. 100% know where we're at now, guys.
God, it's close too.
I know. Except for these rocks right here. Dodge it. Definitely.
Oh my god.
What's up?
How we got so fucking lost
Yeah,
for no
I don't know what
reason.
happened.
That fog?
I don't know what
It
happened.
was super foggy and beginning.
Oh no.
I guess we must have ran past that guy's house. That's next to the train yard.
It is very
Looks like there's a
fucking
bear
close.
on the left.
Guys, we can get in here.
No, we can't. It's locked. Oh, it's been raided.
Oh.
Why can't I get in there? What the
Crouch,
fuck?
crouch, and then jump.
Oh,
There you
okay.
go. Amateurs. I'm just kidding.
I didn't know you could crouch and then jump, and it jumps high too.
Yep. Umpire. Take. No one's authorized, right?
I unauthorized it.
Don't authorize yourself.
No?
Not right now.
Yeah, the
Under these
helicopter.
circumstances, don't.
You broke your shit on the cement.
I'm really close to home. You guys want to run it?
It sounds like it kind of went a little bit farther away.
Yeah, it's distant.
There's that bear.
Take.
It looks like a bear.
Alright, round 2. Take a right, guys. Take a right. It's gonna be this way. Follow me.
Right this way. Got it. Perfect.
That was ridiculous. That was like 3 times longer than it needed to be. There's a bear, it looks like.
Probably because we're
No,
on a
that's
bear
our-
spawn.
That's our gate, actually. Don't ask me why that looked like a bear.
Jesus Christ, that took 10 times longer than it should have.
Fucking heli in the middle of the night, dude. What the hell?
Yeah, what's that about too?
Bad luck. Timing. That shit open.
Oh no.